Israel has launched fresh ground and aerial attacks on the Shujaya neighborhood in the besieged Gaza Strip. Hamas has condemned this escalation as a full-fledged war crime. The civil defense in Gaza reported at least 7 Palestinians killed and dozens more injured in the strikes on Shujaya, a residential area located east of Gaza City. The death toll is expected to rise as first responders struggle to reach the targeted areas amid the heavy bombardment. The Palestinian Red Crescent Society emphasized that there is no safe place for the residents of northern Gaza to seek refuge. Tens of thousands of people have been forced to leave their homes. Israeli military issued ejection orders to residents of Shujaya hours after the bombing began. According to an Al Jazeera journalist, some civilians were hit while taking shelter at a UN school and others while attempting to flee the neighborhood. Israeli ground forces have been seen advancing to the outskirts of Shujaya. Clashes have been reported as Israeli tanks push forward. In a statement issued on Thursday, Hamas called the intensified attack on Shujaya a continuation of the genocidal war launched by the fascist Israeli regime. They urged the international community to take immediate action to stop these crimes and hold Israel accountable. The fascist policy of repeatedly targeting cities, camps, and neighborhoods and deliberately killing civilians and destroying infrastructure is a full-fledged war crime. Shujaya, already one of the most devastated areas in Gaza, is suffering anew amidst a severe hunger crisis. Late on Wednesday, a Palestinian girl died of malnutrition in northern Gaza, bringing the number of children who have died from starvation to 6 in just over a week. The Integrated Food Security Phase Classification warned on Tuesday that almost all of Gaza will face famine within the next 3 months.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.